Hello, this is Nicole from the RDC. Today we are going to talk about utility scams. Before we get started, there are a couple of words that you need to be familiar with. Number one, a utility is a service like gas, water, or electric. Number two, a scam is when a person or a business is dishonest with you in order to get you to do something. Number three, dishonest means that somebody is not being honest, not telling the truth, or they are lying. When we are talking about gas, water, and electric in the United States, it is important to know that in your country, things may have been different. In many countries, water, gas, and electricity are things that are provided by the government, or there is only one company that could ever send you a bill. In the United States, it is different. There are many companies, and they can all compete or fight over who will sell you their gas or another utility. In Lansing, you are probably familiar with two big companies. The utility company for light and water is BWL. The utility company for gas is Consumers Energy. These are the companies that will send you a bill. They are the ones that you pay to have water and light or gas in your house or apartment. It is important to know these companies do not send people to your house to sell you things. The only time that they send somebody to your house is if you have called to request a service. For example, if you call because you have a problem with your lights, water, or gas, they might come to check the problem and try to fix it. Or these companies might visit you to give you light bulbs or tell you how you can make your energy use smaller. They might give you light bulbs, or they might give you something to put around your pipes when it is cold in the winter. In Michigan, this is a map that shows which companies are responsible or controlling certain areas of the state. On this picture that is showing us gas companies, we can see Lansing is in the middle and our color is orange. The company that is in control of the gas with the orange color is Consumers Energy. If you move to a different city in Michigan, a different company might control the area. These companies They take care of the pipes that deliver the gas to the cities. If there is a problem in the city or at your house for gas, Consumers Energy is who will come to look at the problem or fix it. But just because they control the pipes doesn't mean they are the only one who can sell you the gas. There are a couple other companies who can sell the gas, and they bill the cost through Consumers Energy. We have seen and heard a couple of stories, especially in apartments, where different companies might come and knock on your door and say that they can help you make your gas bill smaller. These companies, if you change to them, you will buy their gas, but they will put it on your Consumers Energy bill because they are only renting the pipes. They do not take care of the pipes. They do not own the pipes. The other thing that is important is the companies on this map are companies that the state of Michigan controls the price. This means how much you pay for a certain amount of gas does not change every month. The other companies are not controlled by the state. This means if you buy their gas, the cost of the gas might be different in May than it is in June or July or August. Because there are many companies, we need to be very careful. Some gas companies will send people to your house to try to get you to sign up for their gas. They might tell you that they are from the gas company, making you think that they are from Consumers Energy. They might tell you, I want to help you make your bill small. Or they might ask for you to bring your bill so they can look at it. The problem that we are seeing, the scam that we hear about, is when somebody comes to knock at your door, they can sign you up for this service, for their gas, and maybe you do not know. Here there are two pictures. On one side, you can see there is a bill with gas from Consumers Energy only. If you look at your bill and you see gas recovery cost, then you know this is gas from Consumers Energy only. On this one, we can see that they are charging $2.26 per unit of gas. So they multiply this by how much you are using. In the other picture, we see for the same month, somebody has accidentally signed up for gas from a different company. So here we can see the name of the other company, Nordic Energy Services. And we can see that the price per unit is much higher. It is $6.91 multiplied by how much are you using. So this bill can be very expensive. To protect yourself from being a victim of this scam, this problem, you can do a couple of things. Do not sign anything that is brought to you by someone who you do not know knocking at your door. Do not show somebody your bill. Do not give somebody your account number. There have been some stories about people who show their bill and the company can take their account number, and without their permission, without them knowing, their gas gets changed to a different company and they pay more money. The last thing is, every month you should look at your bill. You can look on the place that I've circled. This is found on the back of your consumer's energy gas bill. And if you see any other company, then you know that they signed you up for something different. How to fix it. If you find out that you got signed up for a different gas company, you need to make a decision. You must decide, do you want to change back to only Consumers Energy, or do you want to stay with the new company's gas? Some companies will charge you a fee for canceling. This example is a cancellation notice that shows $100 charged for canceling the contract. If you do decide that you want to change who gives your gas, it is very easy. You can call Consumers Energy at this number, which is also found on your monthly bill, and tell them you want to be changed back. If you find out that you were tricked to sign up, or a company signed you up without your permission because they saw your account number, you can file a complaint. There are two ways to do this in Michigan. The first way is you can call the Michigan Attorney General at this number, or you can go online using this link. If you go online, the picture here is what you will see to fill out information about you, where the problem happened, and then you write a small letter about the problem. If somebody signed you up, they knocked at your door, and they signed you up for this and you did not know, you can write that to them. Another way that you can file a complaint is with the USA government, and this is to the Federal Trade Commission. In order to file a complaint here, you must go online using this link, and you will see this top picture. You will click on Rip Off and Imposter Scam that is circled, and then you can click on Imposter Scam. Someone pretending to be a business like Consumers Energy and giving you some misinformation. After you click on these two places, you will see the second picture, which is where you will start to fill out the information for the complaint. If you need help with your gas bill, you can also get help. You do not need to Accept the help of the person who knocks at your door and says, I want to help you make your gas bill small. If you need some extra help with money for your gas bill, the first thing you should do is call Consumers Energy at this number, which you can also find on your monthly bill. Or you can follow this link to see about different ways to get help. There are 3 different ways to get some help. The first way is a program that is by Consumers Energy called CARE. CARE is a program that is based on your income or how much money you make every month. And if you are eligible, you can get a little extra help for up to 2 years. The second way to get help is by doing a bill payment assistance program. There are many different programs in the city of Lansing where you can sign up to get some extra help if you have just a little bit of money every month. One of those places is with DHS. There are also other places that are listed with their phone numbers where to call and see if they can help you. The third way to get help is when you talk to Consumers Energy, ask them to help you set up a payment plan. This means maybe you pay just a little bit of your bill, maybe in the winter when the gas bill is big, and they can have you pay smaller amounts throughout the year. So maybe you are paying for some of your winter gas in the summer when your summer bill is small. If you have questions or you need resources, places to call for help, you can connect with an RDC teacher. You can email us at info@rdclansing.org or find us on Facebook.